Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome to a wet and windy Wales. I've gone to Pensarn today for their cars and coffee, and I've managed to bring out something a little bit special. And I'm going to have a little wander around because I can't stay here for too long because I'm going to have to go. But some very cool stuff on display, to say the least. And the car I've arrived in has got an awful lot of attention so far. So let's go take a look at the other cars before I have to make tracks. A beautiful 296 GTS. Love these. Yeah, GT4 RS. This one I've seen quite regularly around. There's loads of carbon on that. Very, very cool. Carrera 4S, he's got a sunroof open. I'm sure that'll be closing very quickly. It's Aston. Is that a DB12?
I'm sure I follow you.
Do you?
Yeah, definitely follow you.
What? At night?
Yeah, it made it weird then, wouldn't it? I did though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I followed you on that. I think I was going somewhere. You followed me.
Yeah. Well, in this.
Video.
Yeah. It's a lovely thing.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Good video you made.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Oh.
Yeah. So I've had it about 6 months now. Oh yeah. So it's like a V8 twin turbo.
Stunning car. Love that. Got a M4. Very nice.
Time's over for it now.
A Macan. Nice Defender. Golf Cabriolet. Nice. This is the Ultima. Gets an awful lot of attention. Nice Morris Minor.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Pretty little GT. I do like these, like Harvest Gold, maybe the colour. Lotus XL. (944) Porsche. Got Gareth's lovely 1275 GT. This is probably one of the nicest GTs. Peter's is equally as nice, I think. In its, I think they're in different ways, but absolutely stunning car. A lovely colour, really sort of originally restored. Yeah, absolutely beautiful, really well maintained as well. And I think it's kept in one of these enclosed bubbles. But I've got to say, hats off to Gareth. It's an incredible car. Little Caterham 7. We have a lot of fun in that. Lotus Elan, I do love these. And that baby blue as well, beautiful. A Jag. Nice Mercedes. The AMG, is that SL55 AMG? V8. Very nice. Astra VXR.
Peter's got his car.
Oof, look at this. Ford Motorsport, Conway Motorsport. What a lovely car that is. It's probably a Focus engine, maybe. I do like that a lot. That whole styling. The look of it, incredible. Mega. Some throttle bodies too. a local motorsport specialist, CMA. Do loads of really cool stuff. Got the Mexico badges and stuff on it as well. Yeah, really nice. Oh, it's starting to rain a lot more now. I think this is going to be a real quick walk around before I depart. Civic Type R. I think they look mega as well. A little micro with a little rally inspired. Yes. Love this. Little Mark 1 bubble arch. Running a 16 valve Z-Tech engine. Very, very nice. Big fan of that. Got a Toyota Celica. R32. That is low. When I say low, I mean like really, really low. Holy moly, that's low. Oh, some of the Ghost Crew people have arrived. The Batman and the Poison Ivy car. Do you know what? Fair play. That is so low. R32 is a very, very cool car. There's a Ford Anglia van with a BDA. Or is it a BDG? Oh, that screen's coming down now. That's horrible. What a clean van that is, though. I really, really like that. There was one of these in America that had a silly great hot rod engine in it with a big bar in the back of it. That's really, really cool.
I was the oldest car they have to use.
Another Harley Quinn. Nice little GT4 Celica. Oh, people are going to be departing very quickly. Focus ST. Is that a Calibra or is it a Cavalier? I never know. MGTF, MGF, TF, one of the two. For Focus ST, edition 1 of 300. Mount Tune special, nice. A-Class. Oh no, it's not an A-Class, is it? What is this? It's a CLA 45 AMG. Very nice. Alex isn't here, but he would love a Vauxhall Nova GTE. He's a big fan of these for some reason, over a C's gearbox. Nice little thing. And a Z3 as well. Another Anglia, a bit of a newer version of, much bigger, with the car's sun or windscreen visors. Nice little period roof box as well, and luggage. A Ford Cortina. Oh, I love a Cortina. The only Cortina I've ever driven is this style Mark 1, which is a white and green Lotus Cortina, and it was beautiful. It's a 3-door. This is an 1800 twin cam. That's absolutely lovely. Really, really nice. This here, there's a little bit different. So it's not like your typical Caterham style front or back. It's a Westfield Mega S2000 Honda. So it's got a lot of different style panels, carbon arches. Oh. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, Westfield's very, very cool. Caterham, Westfield, you've got the MKs, you've got the Great British Sports Cars. There's so many manufacturers making so many amazing cars. They're just keeping the dream alive, really. But I love the rear end style of that. Sort of very aerodynamic. But yeah, this is running in a Honda S2000, which there is an S2000 here, so you can see obviously, or at least there was. You can see what it was and what it could be. But I think that's very, very smart, very, very cool, and a wonderful use of the S2000 for a second life. But that thing there, that's beautiful. Huge fan of that. Got a Mazda MX-5 and an F-Type convertible. Audi S3. You've got your pair of French corners. In fact, you've got your Citroen AX. This is the AX GT maybe, and then the Renault 5. I think this is probably the GT Turbo. Stunning little things, showing you what hot hatches were like back in the day. So yeah, the AX GT wasn't just an AX, it was the GT version, a bit more sporty. Probably had different wheels. Ah, a little mini's turn up, yes. And then yeah, the Renault 5 GT Turbo. Super cool. And showing like real 90s hot hatch. It even has the Clifford sticker. That is like a throwback to yesteryear. Love it. Really, really cool. Two super cool cars. But what would you rather? To me, I think I would go for the Renault, but I'm not sure. I think the Renault's really cool, but also the AX is super cool in its own right. Love that. Ah, the plate as well. It's just meant to be. Little Honda Civic Type R and a Clio Sport with like a 182 Cup. Karen's Fiesta to kindly and gracefully back me in today because I don't want to hit the wall. And then the Alpha. And the question was, is it a Monte Carlo or is it a GTV? And it was a GTV 2 litre. What a cracking little thing that is. It looks great, it sounded great. And even like the wheels, they look like they're in like a primer colour. I really like that. I do like that, the Italian style, the Italian look of car. I think it's something really, really quite smart and quite special. It's a stunning little thing. A Golf R next to it. Nice blue, like imperial blue. I'm sure it's not called imperial for the Golfs, but very, very nice. And then other than this Mark 1, got this Mark 1 here too. Lovely, lovely thing. Again, bubbled arched. This one has the protection on the back for the rear quarters. Yeah, lovely example. Although it's made out to be a rally car, it's a lovely example. I'm not sure if it ever sees a rally stage or not, but what a car. The S2000 looks like it has gone now. There we go, there's an A-Class, so yeah. It's a turbo 4MATIC. Lovely thing. You got your Golf, you got your Mercedes, hot hatches, and maybe the Hyundai as well. It's probably the top 3. Maybe some others in there, but there's a little Wolseley. Like a sewing machine, that. Beautiful. A Wolseley 1500. Oh, chokes in now. Look, it just purrs like a kitten. You okay, pal?
Still minion?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
So the TTRS, lovely colour that. A bit of a flip paint. I think these 4 cars here now are with the North Wales Wheel Works. So do alloy wheel refurbishment. I think they're in Llandudno Junction. But yeah, it's lovely.
Hey.
Another TT with pink wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Whew. Look at that. That is super luxury. Big old V8 isn't it as well? Maybe a Lexus. And the MX-5, and then there's a Nissan Cube with 4 separate wheels. And 4 separate coloured wheels even, not 4 separate wheels. That's right. This is miserable. Bit of a late comer. Little mini rally car. What a beast. Love it. Right, it's raining, I'm getting back in the car. Right, and like that, the rain came down, and this time it was hail, so I'm going to call it a day. Real nice selection of cars on display, and nice to see this car here getting an awful lot of attention. So I'm going to make tracks, and yeah, it's a shame with the events that, like many things, especially with these sorts of events, that you don't have a time constraint. So a lot of car shows you go to, you can't move the car into a certain period. With the cars and coffees, they come and go as you please. And on this instance, it's raining, so everyone's looking to leave. But yeah, real nice mix of cars. Nice to have a chat with some people, catch up with some people I haven't seen for quite a while. And this car got an awful lot of attention, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever been to a car show where a car has had this much attention. Quite like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have been here, I hope you've had a good time. If your car's in the video, then comment down, let me know what you're in. And until then, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber. Hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.